Friends, I thought you might like a peek into my seasonal decor. I've incorporated some of my thrifted treasures and a few of my DIYs for spring. Okay, here we go. Just a few little vignettes from my April decor. Here's just a little bit more of my April decor. I moved my green fruit bowl picture up on the top of my hutch. Just added a few little chicks. I think I've shown my milk glass vase collection. I picked up this chocolate bunny at a spring craft show. Some faux eggs I made a couple years ago. A little animal, wooden animals. A black and white chick bunny was a craft I did a few years ago. I'll go look at that on my blog. Up here on this shelf I've had for a while, couldn't figure out what to do with it. I've got some of my aluminum cups, and a couple of restaurant creamers, another one of those black and white checked bunnies up there on the shelf, and then a little wreath that I also made with a bunny and green moss. A few touches to my mantle. Please visit the Rocky Mountain National Park website for more information on that. I have a few Easter touches for my mantle. This year I kind of added, I've been collecting these clipboards. I added a print. There's a little chalkboard bunny. Some repurposed little carrots. There's another chocolate bunny I bought at a spring fair here in town. This wreath I've had on my front door. It's kind of getting raggedy. This is a little carton that I made from just regular egg cartons. Put some of broken up eggshell and some eggs that I had DIY'd. There's that really pretty vase that I thrifted in the spring. Another printable, I believe, was a freebie, but right now I'm not sure who it was. I'll have to look it up, maybe insert it. This is an interesting little egg made in China. I found it at a thrift store several years ago. Setting up on a tin can. As you know, I collect cookie cutters whether I need them or not. But there's a few of the bunny ones. And a little birdhouse. And of course the brass candlesticks. Old window frame. Let's see if I can get a wider band picture there. my mantle. Okay, down here in my den, we've got another little DIY. I followed somebody on YouTube, or maybe it was a website. These little faux bulbs, put in a little basket. Nothing else has really changed much. There's the white platter I've picked up lately. A little DIY jumping bunny that I added ears on, enhanced it just a little. Collection of brown bottles. My 2 new cigar boxes, and I think I already showed the white platter from a hobby earlier this year. Another floral arrangement. Another cigar box that I just picked up. One of those cartons that I kind of just cut it in half, put it together to just add to my decor. I hope I have given you some information to go out and get thrifting. You just never know what kind of treasures you can find. You can find my thrift hauls and DIYs on my blog. The title is My Little Colorado Cottage.blogspot.com. Thank you again for stopping by. I'm Vicki. Bye.